You should get an extra picture.
I want to take a picture of you. Come on, just one picture. One picture.
No.
Cody, come on. Just fine, whatever. She's so evil. I got you anyway.
Did you really?
Yeah, I recorded it.
Oh, got it.
Come out of your little shell, little Cody. Come out of your little shell, little Cody. Cody.
No.
Cody.
No.
Wake up.
No.
We gotta go to work.
I'm tired. I don't want to go to work.
Get up. I got you. I see your hand. It is naked. I'm going to get you. Sexy leg. Ooh.
There, I'm out.
Let me see that sexy foot. Oh, look, you got Steven's fingernail polish on your toes.
What?
You got the same color fingernail polish as Steven did for Rocky Horror.
So?